What up y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play MECCHA CHAMELEON on Mac. Also, please watch the entire tutorial because you will need to change the Steam launch options, otherwise you will get this Visual C++ error and not be able to launch the game. Some other quick things to note is that this method is for Apple Silicon Macs. If you have an Intel Mac, you actually don't need this video. You can run Windows through Boot Camp and play the game natively that way. Also, you know, as Mac gamers, it's very rare we get a native port of a game, so we have to do different workarounds and methods. So I just wanted to give you a fair warning that while the game is completely playable now, didn't have any issues, it is possible maybe sometime in the future that the anti-cheat gets changed or something that basically makes this method not work anymore. If that happens, I'll always try to keep workarounds in the pinned comment, but just be aware it's always a possibility with Mac gaming. And last thing, quick plug. I started a free monthly newsletter called Mac Gaming Monthly. 1 email a month, a quick 1 to 2 minute read with news, compatibility updates, emulators, and tools that actually work on Mac. If you want it, the link's in the description. After you sign up, you'll get a confirmation email. If it lands in spam, move it to your inbox so the confirm button works. Alright, and with all that being said, let's get into it. First, we're going to want to get an application called Crossover. Go ahead and click the link in the description. It'll bring you to this page, and while Crossover is a paid app, I'm going to show you how to play the game using the 2-week free trial so you can test everything before deciding if it's worth it for you. Also, after the free trial, if you do end up buying it using my affiliate link, it does support me and the channel, so thank you in advance if you use it. A common misconception people get mixed up is this part right here where it says 12-month support. That makes it look like Crossover is a subscription service, but it's not. When you buy Crossover, you keep the version that's out today and whatever version that comes out in the next 12 months forever. The only time you'd ever pay again is if you want to keep receiving updates after the 12 months, but they always offer special renewal pricing and discounts, so odds are you'd never pay the full price again. But like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you how to get the free trial, so let's start there. So on the left hand side you'll see free, and right under it you can click try now. It'll bring you to this page, put in your name and email, and click download trial now. Then it will give you the zip file in your downloads folder, or it might unzip itself. If not, just double click. Then drag Crossover to our applications folder, and then in our applications folder, find and double click Crossover. Hit open. So like I said, you will have the free trial, so you can click try now, and then once you're done, if you want to purchase it, you can buy it and then unlock with our purchase info. Then you will see the Crossover page. If you don't see anything, you're probably just on home, click install in the bottom left, and you should see Steam on the front page. If not, you can just type it into the search bar, click it, hit install. You're going to get some pop-ups throughout, just agree. For this Microsoft one, you have to agree and hit install, and once it's done, you have to hit close, otherwise you'll just be stuck here all day. And again, same thing. Then you'll be met with the Steam setup page. Just go through it, pick your language. You can change the install location. Personally, I would just leave it where it is. And then we can hit finish. Steam will update, and then after a couple minutes, the Steam login page should pop up. Also, you might want to move Crossover because sometimes it can pop up behind it. Then all you need to do is log into your Steam account. If you don't have one, you can go to the bottom right and click create a free account. So then it should bring you to the store page. In the search bar, type in the game. Click it, scroll down to add to cart, and then buy it. I already have it in my library, so I'm not going to do that. Then in your library, click the game, click install, install again, and it's a small game, shouldn't take too long, but if you want to see the progress, we can click the bottom middle. Also hasn't happened to me in forever, but I figured I would just mention it. If for some reason this flatlines and it stops downloading, all you got to do is go to Crossover, quit all applications, and then load back in and start downloading again. So that's going to download, and I'll be back when it's finished. So once that's done downloading, we're going to go back to our library, and like I mentioned earlier, there is a launch option you have to change to actually run the game. However, and this might be different for you, but I personally found that I needed to hit launch on the game first and let it run the install script and then give me the error, and then change the launch option and then run it. When I tried changing the launch option first, before it ever gave me an error, it was basically just stuck on running the install script. Don't know if that's just a me problem, but figured I would mention it. But also note it can take a couple minutes the first time you run the game to run the install script, so just be patient with that. So I got the C++ error, and just for reference, reference, so you don't think you're going crazy. It took roughly 1:45 seconds for this error to pop up. So then we hit OK. Then we right click the game, go to Properties. In the Launch Options section, you're going to copy and paste the code I'll leave in the description here, and it looks like this. Then exit, and then you can hit play again, and you'll see this warning, known issues with graphic driver. That's fine, you just hit no. You'll see a black screen pop up, and then in a second we should see the logo. There you go. It's gonna make you agree to the terms of service. And then from here, you're good to go. You can create your server or find a server, choose your restrictions or server tags or whatever, change your display name, then hit search, pick one to join, and you'll be off and playing. But yeah, anyways, that is gonna about do it. If you run into other issues, you can leave them in the comments. Hopefully other people can help if they ran into similar issues. I can't promise I'll be able to help because the only two issues I ran into were the C++ visual thing and then it not working if I tried to do the launch option command before getting the C++ visual thing. So yeah, hopefully no one else runs into any other issues, but if you do, leave them in the comments. Hopefully someone can help. But anyways, hope you enjoy the game and subscribe for more Mac gaming news and tutorials. And that's about it. See ya.